Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate age in Excel. So here I have the date of birth and I have the current date which I've got using the today function, and I want to calculate the age based on these two dates. So I want to calculate the age in years, months and days. Now to do that, I'm going to use a function called Datedif, and Datedif is a legacy function. It is kept in Excel for compatibility with LOTUS 123. So if you type Datedif, you are not going to see any function being shown in the IntelliSense. But this function still exists in Excel and it takes three arguments. The first argument is the start date, which would be this date here. The second argument would be the end date, which would be the current date. And the third argument is an alphabet or a string that tells Datedif function what is the value I want, whether I want the value in years or in months or in days. So in this case, to calculate the total number of years between these two dates, my start date would be this, my end date would be this, and I want this value in years, so I would use Y. And now when I hit enter, it gives me 29, which means between these two dates, 29 years have passed. Now, if I want the total number of months, I can get two values. Either I can get the total number of months between these two dates, or I can get the total number of months after 29 years have passed. So 29 years and let's say 9 months or 10 months, whatever the number is. So in this case, I would use the Datedif function. This would be my start date, this is the end date, and in this case if I want the total number of months, then I would use M, and when I hit enter, it gives me 357, which means 357 months have passed in between these two dates. But I don't want this. I want to know how many months after 29 years have passed. So instead of using M, I'm going to use YM here, and now when I hit enter, it gives me 9, which means 29 years and 9 months have passed in between these two dates. Similarly, if you want to do it for days, you can use the Datedif function. This is the start date, this is the end date, and if I simply use D here, then it is going to give me the entire number of days between these two dates, but I don't want it. I wanted how many days have passed after 29 years and 9 months. So here I would use MD, and now when I hit enter, it gives me 25. So in this case, these values tell me that the age of this person with this date of birth and this current date is 29 years, 9 months and 25 days. So this is how you can easily calculate age in Excel using the Datedif function. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and please click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.